Okay, we're going to show you how to add a page to a website using the Cityline CMS. So once you've logged in, you'll go to the Pages tab, click on the Pages tab, and scroll down and click on the green New Page button. Once you click on the button, then it gives you some options here, and then you can add in the content. So to add in the page title, that is what will appear in the menu. So let's call this test page. All right, and then the next line here says whether or not it's a special page, and you can categorize these into different types of page templates that you may have. In general, you're going to use it as a regular page. The URL, that's what actually shows up in the address bar. Generally, that is going to be the same as the page title, but all the spaces and special characters have dashes instead. Now the menu position. The menu position either can be along the top or it could be a sub-menu. So if you looked at the website, you have a home, and about us, a wastewater, water, and projects is the main titles along the top, and then they have drop-down menu items from each of these. So if I wanted to put this page under wastewater, then I would click on wastewater, and it would show up as a sub page under wastewater. Visibility, that's who could see it, whether it's everybody or whether it's just logged in administrators. And generally, you're going to want to have it as all. Status is draft or published. We're going to publish this one right away, and so I'm going to click on published. Hide from search engines. Do you want this to show up in the search engines? And generally, it's going to be a yes, unless it's a thank you page or a hidden page of some sort. No sidebar. Generally, I leave that as is because most of the inside pages do have sidebars to them. So then you get into the page content. So you can type in the page content. Title goes here, and I'm going to select that and go to Formats, Headers, and Heading 1. And then I'm going to Content. Oops. Click Enter, and content goes here. Okay, so you add in your content, and then what you have to do is you put in the meta tags. This is the title, my special page here, and then please visit this page. etc. That is also very important for Google. Those will have the keywords in it, but that's for another lesson. Keywords, blah, blah, blah. So then next step is to save that, and you've created your page. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll down here further, and you'll see page banners. So every page banner that you check here will be a possible banner that shows up on that page. So if I click two of these, randomly either this one or this image will show up on the page. And then you scroll down further. These are all my choices for banners. I only want those two. And then I'm going to press Save Banners. So it says this upper page form has not been saved and changes will be lost. But we've already made the changes up top and saved those. So now we're going to save the banner side of things. And saved. So now what you can do is you can test and see how this page looks. So you can press the jump button here in the content. That will jump you to the front end of the website. So here's the page. That's the random banner that showed up, and the title goes here, content goes here. Boom, you're done. You can mouse over the title, and you can see the test page is there at the bottom. If I want to move where that located page is, and maybe move it between municipal and industrial, then what I'll do is I'll click back in here, I'll jump back, and I will go back to the Pages tab, and wastewater, and then I can click and drag this to where I want it. So I want to drag it in between municipal and industrial, and then I would scroll down and save it. I could even make it a sub page of municipal water, and I would click on municipal water, and then it would be sub page on the website. So I'm going to save it as that. Scroll down, press save. And then let's look and see what it shows up as on the website. So if I go into wastewater, municipal wastewater, you can see it's got the down arrow, and boom, test page, there it is. So that's how you create a page and position it in the menus on the Cityline CMS.